Dr. Hayden Ko Jr.'s former manager, Lolit Solis, said that Eric Chua, the man who allegedly spread the sex videos, will pin the blame on Dr. Vicky Bello for the scandal. And as Chino Gaston reports, Bello also risks losing her license over the scandal.
A total of 40 sex videos of Dr. Hayden Ko Jr. with 4 separate women were allegedly stored in and stolen from a hard drive owned by the Bello Medical Group. The women include Katrina Halili and Dr. Vicky Bello herself. Bello's lawyer, attorney Adel Tamano, says she had consented to the filming of their sexual act on the condition it will be erased immediately after.
It was between 2 consensual adults, no? In a committed relationship po sila. And the usapan was, atin lang to, then afterwards we will delete it. There are 40 videos, no? There are 40 videos, but it is not 40 videos of 40 different women. These are 40 videos of, I think, about 4 women.
Upon learning that Hayden had not deleted the videos, Vicky brought the hard disk to Eric Johnson Chua to have them deleted. Eric has refused to grant any interviews to GMA News. But according to Lolit Solis, Eric recently told Hayden that he will be pinning the blame on Vicky.
Huwag mo ito, hindi na Hayden, kausap lang kita kahapon. Kahapon, sinabi ko, ano ngayon ang mangyayari? Sabi ko, ano na mangyayari? Ano sasabihin ni Eric Chua? Sabi ko sa kanya. Alam mo, sagot niya? Si ano daw po, si Bix daw po ang ituturo ni Eric. Sabi ko nga, hindi ka na maawa ngayon kay Vicky, tingnan mo, nasasali siya sa ganitong sitwasyon, na-apektuhan pati trabaho niya, na-apektuhan sa bilang tao. Pagkatapos sasabihin mo sa akin, ituturo ni Eric Chua, si Vicky. Wala. Parang wala lang sa kanya.
Bello has repeatedly denied having any role in the spread of the videos.
I find it so crazy kasi, number one, I'm a friend of Hayden. I've been trying to build him up. Kasi December pa yan nangyari. Dumaan na kami sa sigawan. At kaya kung ganito ako nakalmante, kasi tapos na yun, di ba? Eric knows what the truth is, and I know it will come out. I don't want to say anything anymore, but sana naman that the people, para matapos na to, people will just admit.
But aside from the Senate and the NBI, the Professional Regulation Commission, or PRC, may also investigate Bello. The PRC says Bello's admission of having a sex video could cost her license. Chino Gaston reporting on Q.